Hello, welcome back to Uni Updates, where we keep you up to date with the latest and greatest news regarding AppDynamics education. In this video, we'll wrap up the last recent updates we have made. Let's get started. Did you know we have over 130 translated self-paced topics? This content is available in French, Spanish, Japanese, Portuguese, and Italian. Now you can locate these courses using a filter on the left-hand side of the course catalog. We've also made it simpler for users with premium university subscriptions to find and enroll in instructor-led training. Now you can select each session on the new public instructor-led training schedule and it will open its course page. We hope you have enjoyed watching Uni Updates. Make sure to subscribe to our community group for future news, and we will talk to you again soon.